Hey, what's up guys? So I've brought you another fantastic watch face for Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. This one is called Q141. It's a beautiful analog watch face. So here you can see that we have our time, we've got seconds, date is there, then we have distance, we have heart rate and battery down here, we've got weather, and there's a sleep complication up there. You have already seen the always on display. That's always on display version, very clean, tells you the time, date, and day and week as well. So that's great. Now let's talk about the customization options. So if we go in customize, this is where the real fun is, the color combinations. So that's one combination, and there are a lot of color combinations to choose from, some of them really cool. And you can see that for each color there is a gray version for these complications, and there is a white version as well. So that's really cool, and these are some really playful color combinations as well. So I'm gonna go with this or this one. I really like this, green and gray. Then we've got kilometers, mile, on and off, so you can change the distance units, miles or kilometer, or you can turn this complication off altogether. Then we have heart rate. Once again, you can turn off heart rate and make this watch face really clean. So if I turn off this as well, this becomes really clean, but I like to see some information on my watch face. So I'm going to turn that all on. And then we have the option for 6 shortcuts and complications on this watch face as well. So if I tap here, let's see what options it show us. So a lot of shortcuts and complications you can add to this watch face. And now if we go back, so this is the final look of the watch face. It's beautiful, the color combinations are great, and you get enough complications on this watch face as well, and everything that you need. So go ahead and download it and have fun with it. It's a paid watch face. I'll put the link in the description for you guys. And that's about it from this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.